Nothing ruins a perfect song faster than a cheap, muddy thud coming from the corner of the room. Most people think they want more bass until they actually hear it vibrating the drywall and drowning out every other detail in the music. It becomes a messy, distracting nightmare that takes away from the artist's intent. That is why I was so skeptical when I first got my hands on this compact Danish subwoofer. Usually, these smaller units try far too hard to act big and end up sounding like a rattling plastic bucket. But right away, the sheer weight of the cabinet told a completely different story. It felt dense and incredibly solid. There are no rough edges or flimsy materials used in this construction. When you run your hand over the enclosure, you can tell the engineering is high-end. This level of build quality matters because a weak box vibrates along with the driver. That vibration is exactly how you get that annoying coloring in your audio that makes everything sound muffled. Setting this unit up was surprisingly painless and intuitive. You've got a level knob, a phase switch, and a low-pass filter positioned clearly on the back panel. It is all laid out so simply that you do not need a degree in sound engineering to get it right within minutes. You can tuck it right next to your main speakers, or hide it under a media stand. Either way, it blends into the room and the soundstage perfectly. Now, let's be very real about what this device is not designed to do. If you are looking for that bone-shaking, earthquake-style rumble that knocks pictures off your neighbor's walls, you will likely be disappointed. This is not a massive brute designed for raw, overwhelming power alone. It prioritizes texture and accuracy over raw volume. It is about how a bass guitar actually feels in a professional studio, rather than just producing a generic electronic boom. In the world of high-end home audio, people often ask if these smaller, more refined units are a bit of a scam, because they cost more than those giant budget boxes you see at the big box stores. I can tell you right now that this one is completely legit and worth the attention. It delivers controlled, musical low-end that actually enhances the music rather than stepping all over the delicate mid-range frequencies. You get these smooth, deep notes that feel perfectly integrated with your main bookshelf or tower speakers. It fills in those deep gaps that your smaller speakers just cannot reach on their own. For anyone who appreciates the subtle nuance of a well-recorded jazz track or the mounting tension in a cinematic movie score, this is a massive win. You are buying precision and clarity. You are buying a piece of equipment that understands the fundamental difference between the strike of a kick drum and a low-frequency hum. If you want the loudest, most aggressive sound possible for the least amount of money, you should probably look elsewhere. But if you want your home audio setup to sound professional, nuanced, and perfectly balanced, this investment is a total no-brainer. It is one of the few pieces of gear I've tested lately that lives up to its prestigious reputation without relying on any flashy gimmicks. This is honest audio. It is built to last for years. It makes every single listening session feel like a more complete and emotional experience.